Yeah, so today I'm sharing with you from the Dare Rose store is these little fake plants. Now these are amazing. You can separate them out. You can move them a little bit to make it more full. This I got was a 6-pack. And what I'm doing is I'm going to be doing some redecorating in one of the bathrooms here, painting, and setting up a table with some fake candles. And of course, these little gorgeous plants. You know what? You don't have to water them. They're no fuss. They're artificial. You know, I want you guys to check out the link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this short video. These are plastic, but they're wonderful. And at a price point of about $20, not bad for 6 plants. 6 fake potted plants that you can decorate all through your house, and they look gorgeous. The color is vibrant. They're wonderful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Be kind to others, share a smile. You just might make someone's day.